Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe.
Welcome to my channel. My name is JB, and today I'll be doing a holiday glam. I have a red lip with pink in the middle, a soft eyeshadow, and so if you like this look, do me a favor and continue watching it. And throughout the video, comment and like and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave suggestions down below what else you guys want me to film. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into the video. Before I go in with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with my E.L.F primer. This is mineral infused primer. I want to do this first so I can give it time to set in. So for the eye today, I am using LA Colors Eye Struck Naked palette. Today I am only using one palette so y'all can achieve this look easily. For my first color, I'm going to go in with this light brown right here, and I'm going to do it with a tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that in my crease and outer corner. Making sure I round out the edges. I'm not going for so much of a sharp look, more like a round smoky eye. Then I'm going to take a smaller taper brush and go in with this dark brown, and we're really going to work that into the crease. Now I'm going to take the fluffy brush again, but I'm going to go in with this light orangey transition shade, and I'm going to work that into the center of my eye to form a transition from the inner corner to the crease. Gonna go back in with this taper brush and blend that in. Now I'm gonna go in my Tarte concealer, Shape Tape concealer. Take a little dab on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take this flat brush, small flat brush, and I'm going to cut my crease slightly. I'm not going all the way in here. I'm just going to cut my crease in my inner corner. Just because I want the white shadow that I put on here to really pop, to really show up. Just like so. Anyway, how was y'all holiday season going on? So we done had Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving has passed. On to the next Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas, or Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa, or anything. If you don't celebrate nothing, we on to December. I'm adding this white shade right here. My holiday season is going pretty good. This is my favorite time of the year. Y'all know that song I say it's the most wonderful time of the year. It really is for me, because let me tell y'all, we have Thanksgiving, then we have Christmas, then we got New Year's, and if you didn't know, we got January 18th is my birthday. So I have all these holidays, and it's just, yeah, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Masterprescise Curvy eyeliner, and it looks like this. And I'm going to do a thin line of eyeliner, as you can see right there. A thin line of eyeliner. I'm going to try to show y'all, but it's hard to show y'all. I'm going to take my Mega Length Wet n Wild mascara. Lashes that we're doing today are Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna pop that on. I'm gonna grab my mirror. Do me a favor and comment down below what's your favorite holiday during this time of the year. So like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. If your birthday is like in November, December, January like me, comment down below. And also like, why is it your favorite? Like I just told you guys, it's my favorite because like I said, it's just so many holidays back to back. And also I get to spend so much time with my family and my friends, and that really means a lot to me. And my family's coming down for Christmas, and I just love them so much, and who wouldn't want to like see their family, spend time with my family. But anyway, okay, for my face today I'm gonna be using ColourPop No Filter Foundation as well as CoverGirl True Blend. My shade in ColourPop is Dark 175, and in CoverGirl I am D7. I use both because ColourPop is too orange for me, and CoverGirl is too dark for me. So they kind of balance each other out. And I'm gonna go in with a Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blend her out and together. Intermission, 1 second. Okay, we're back. How did y'all enjoy y'all Thanksgiving? Did y'all get dressed up for the living room? Cause I sure did. And y'all know where y'all can see that? On my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here down below. My Instagram is j.xcix. And go see my Thanksgiving fit. Did y'all get cute, or y'all like come in y'all pajamas, or just be chill? Mind you, my family be chill, but I'm the only one that's like extra. My family be mad chill. You know, like they'll put clothes on, not pajamas, but they won't get all dressy like me. Let me know what y'all do. So now I'm gonna go in with my Pro Concealer and my Tarts Shape Tape Concealer. The Sharp Tape Shape is lighter, and so I put that directly under my eyes, but this one is darker, so I kind of drag it down a little bit. And I only use the Sharp Tape Shape if I'm doing extra. Like if I'm doing glam and want to be extra, because it's so bright and white. It's too bright to use it every day. And for my chin and my Cupid's bow, I take whatever's left on the Beauty Blender. And as far as my forehead too. Now for contour, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Earth. Take this short dense brush right here. I think it is from Bare Minerals, and blend this out. I would call this look, it's a holiday glam, but I don't know, is it soft glam or not, or glam? I'm gonna let y'all make the decision, because I'll be done saying soft glam, y'all be like, that shit is and y'all be like, that is not soft at all. I feel like if I would have did like cut crease, black shadow, eyeshadow, smoky eye, it would have been like glam, but I feel like since I kept this soft with the eyes, it's soft glam. But we do got a red lip coming up, so yeah. And then nose contour. I don't go crazy with my nose contour. I just take the darker shade and I take whatever's left on the brush and drag it on there. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and blend it into the contour. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Medium Dark Fit Me Loose Powder and I'm gonna set my under eye with this and my damp beauty blender. Set your eye with a damp beauty blender. I'm telling you, it comes out smooth, seamless, and it doesn't come out too dry looking or even actually dry. Coming along good, right? I'm glad y'all made it this long and stayed in the video this long. Okay, next is setting my contour with my black Radiance powder right here in the shade Black Coffee. I'm taking a small angled brush. To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in my Maybeline Fit Me Smooth and Set powder. And the rest of my face, as in around my mouth, underneath my contour, and here on my forehead. And I go in with a flat powder brush from E.L.F. For blush today, I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place palette, and I'm gonna take this eyeshadow pink right here and a little bit of it. For highlight, first I go in with my Naked Illuminator Urban Decay, and this is in Lit. Then I go in with my Glowden Crayon Case highlighter. I use this one all the time too, but not as much as I use the other one. And I'm not gonna take from here because you end up with way too much. So I take from the lid and dab like mad carefully. I put a little bit more highlight on my brush. That way I'll have some already on there by the time I set my face, because I always add more when I'm done spraying and setting my face. So we're setting our face today with Morphe Continuous Spray Mist. Is that enough? I think so. Shout out to Anaya Ivy. And I'm going to only fan a little bit. After that, I want it to set in by itself. Now on to the lips. I wanted to do something different for the lip today than just, you know, a whole regular red lip, even though I love a red lip, but I wanted to see what it looked like to do pink in the middle, like, or nude in the middle. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Red Lip Uncensored, and I'm gonna use Morphe Matte Lip and Main Squeeze in the center. But first, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl liner. Now I'm going to go in with Uncensored by Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite red lip for all occasions, all and every occasions. If you see me in a red lip, just know I used Uncensored by Fenty. And I done had this since she came out with it, which was what? I don't know, like 2 years ago or something. So I'm gonna let that dry. And then we gonna go back in with the Morphe. While it's drying, let me go in with my Mega Length mascara on the bottom. So that lip dried a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte. I don't know what this is, but it's a Tarte nude gloss. The letters have erased itself from it. It's not a gloss, it's a matte lip. Let me go take it out my hand.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
I wish you guys happy, joyful, full of love holidays. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Everybody knows.
I also wanted you guys to see the look in the sunlight because, sis, the sunlight tells all, and as you can see, it's telling you that this V is beautiful. But that's all.